Welcome back to our channel. My mom's gonna be building a Kallax shelf for my sister so she can have a little bit more storage space. And it's from IKEA, one of my mom's favorite places. If you wanna see how to put this shelf together, this video is for you.
Yeah, pay attention.
Really, pay attention.
Yeah, what they said.
Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the video.
Yeah, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I started from the street. Look at me, I started from the ghetto. They say I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go down my knees to the Calvary tree. Me, I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me, I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me.
Absent thought, maybe I should take you up on that ride, cause I'm out of my mind. And it's a little too late, there's just enough time. If we let it all out, could I swallow my pride? And I should just walk home, but we're both scared of being alone. And that's how you throw it all away in a small town. Everybody's talking cause they know now. Everybody's talking cause they know now. And it's a slow burn, playing in your mind like a rerun. I've been trying to hide it but I can't run from the way I feel when you're next to me. Quiet type said it's a bad time. I tried to call back, got your mom on the line. Is it just me? I hate how this feels to have to be fake, but the fake feels so real. Guess I should have known that you'd never call me back. And that's how you throw it all away in a small town. Everybody's talking cause they know now. Everybody's talking cause they know. It's a slow burn, playing in your mind like a rerun. I've been trying to hide it but I can't run from the way I feel when you're next to me. So I don't have to see you anymore. And that's how you throw it all away in a small town. Everybody's talking cause they know now. Everybody's talking cause they know now. And it's a slow burn, playing in your mind like a rerun. I've been trying to hide it but I can't run from the way I feel when you're next to me. Throw it all away in a small town. Everybody's talking cause they know now.
All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, aye, aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on a low, on a low. Me I wanna get to the door. Me I wanna shine on the low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on a low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on a low. Me I wanna get to the door, get the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on a low. Damn. With my eyes don't see. Me I no fit talk am. Me I no fit yarn am. Yeah. Damn. With my eyes don't see. Me I no fit talk am. Me I no fit yarn am. Yeah. They say money na vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. Yeah. They say money na vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. Yeah. Aye. Nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye. Nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Cause me I make cash on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna get to the dough. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna get to the dough. Me I wanna turn up on the low.
Christian sound.
Get it dancing. Get it bouncing. Yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, I don't know. Look at me, I style from the street. Look at me, I style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big.